Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at ThriftBooks.com to see if it's a legitimate literary gold mine or just a digital paper shredder. They sell everything from fiction to textbooks, aiming to make reading affordable for everyone, because apparently, buying a new hardcover shouldn't require a second mortgage. Let's dig into the details and see if this site is actually trustworthy or just another internet ghost. First off, their domain was registered back in 2003. That's over 20 years ago, which in internet years is basically the Jurassic period. Scam sites usually vanish faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. So surviving 2 decades is a pretty massive green flag. It's hard to be a fly-by-night operation when you've been around longer than most TikTok influencers have been alive. Their social media presence is also surprisingly solid, boasting over 230,000 followers on Facebook alone. They're active on Instagram, LinkedIn, and even X, proving they have more social engagement than most of us do on our birthdays. Plus, they have official apps on both the Google and Apple stores. Since those platforms actually have standards and security checks, it adds a nice layer of legitimacy and makes spending your paycheck on paperbacks even easier. They aren't hiding in a basement either. The website is refreshingly transparent about who's running the show. They list their actual team members, including Chairman and CEO Ken Goldstein, whose LinkedIn profile actually exists and matches his professional background. It's always a relief to see a company run by actual humans instead of a mysterious algorithm or 3 raccoons in a trench coat. Now for the part that actually matters, the user reviews. ThriftBooks links directly to Trustpilot, where they hold an impressive 4.7-star rating across more than 2.5 million reviews. That's a lot of people who managed to receive their packages without a mental breakdown. Even the skeptics on Reddit generally agree the site is legit, though some complain about inconsistent book conditions or basic packaging. Look, if you're paying $3 for a used book, don't expect it to arrive on a silk pillow delivered by a choir of angels. Final verdict? ThriftBooks is the real deal. It's a fantastic resource for casual readers who want to save money, though hardcore collectors might find the occasional well-loved copy a bit too rustic. If this helped you decide whether to clear some shelf space, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews that don't sugarcoat the truth. Thanks for watching.